Want to set up a vocal shortcut on iOS 18? It's a simple way to automate tasks and control your device with just your voice. This makes it easier to perform actions without searching through apps or settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, and tap Vocal Shortcut. Tap Set up Vocal Shortcuts. Then tap Continue. Now select your action. Scroll down. Here, I'll select a camera. Now enter a phrase that you want to speak to take the action. Here, I'll add words like open camera. Tap Go. Now, I need to say the phrase 3 times, like open camera, and open camera. Keep in mind you can say whatever you want to say for action. Taps Continue. Now, just open camera of whatever you set your phrase. Now, you'll see the action will happen. If I say open camera, it will open my camera automatically. Repeat the same steps to add as many actions as you need with the vocal shortcut. This way, you can easily set up vocal shortcuts on iOS 18 and make tasks even more convenient using your voice. If you're still facing issues, check your settings or update to the latest iOS version.